Camera uniforms, part 4. Pressing 5, we now have a full gradient, which is what we would expect if viewport C were correctly set up. Inside of the resize canvas function, we have added all of this code, which just correctly sets up the value of viewport C to match the size of the client area, signified by this canvas size right here. So that's all we've really added, though we have a little bit of finesse right here. So right here, we also call the resize canvas function right after we load a new pipeline inside of render pipeline load. And we do this before we do our CPU GPU sync so that we're not off by 1 frame when we resize. Here are some tags. Here's what we did in the previous tutorial, and here is, more footnotes. And here is what we did in this video. And if you want to see this covered in a slower format, you can go here. You can check out the code here. You can email me here. And this has been video number 92, as noted by the thing in the square brackets. Camera uniforms, part 4. Like and subscribe.